Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, good evening, students. See, am I audible? सबको मेरा आवाज आ रहा है?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
very good. And can you see my screen? See, the problem is I am hosting this session, and if I switch on, I mean, if I start the slideshow, then I cannot see the background. So in that case, my auto admit feature will not work. So students may find difficult joining the session. So इसलिए मैं ऐसा रख रहा हूँ. I think you can see the screen, right? मतलब जो screen है वो properly दिख रहा होगा आप सबको. Can anyone please unmute yourself and say the
Yes,
proper?
sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
sir.
Yes.
okay. Yeah, very good, very good. Right. So I think I can see that some of you are from first year and most of you are from first year and कुछ लोग second year से भी है and third year students भी है. So the idea is how to ace your summer internship. मतलब internship कैसे find out करना है. See, can anyone say what is the difference between internship and training, जो vocational training आप लोग करने जाते हैं, so how it is different? Can anyone say? Can you can use you can unmute yourself और इसी मेरा जो लैंग्वेज है, is it convenient, मतलब आपको समझ में आ रहा है what I want to say? या मैं
Yes.
should you want me to speak only in Hindi? Is it fine? कोई कुछ दिक्कत तो नहीं हो रहा है?
No, sir.
No,
It's
No,
sir. The
sir.
fine.
language is fine. We are able to understand you.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. Right. Yeah, it's okay. That's wonderful. ठीक है. So I think video की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा. Why I'm saying it is because if I turn on the video, I think bandwidth issues आ जाएगा. So इसलिए if you want, if you want to see my face, yeah, that's fine. I think I'm visible now. So I'll just turn on my video for few more minutes only so that to I mean to not to limit your bandwidth. Okay, so that's fine. So uh, so yeah, the question is, what is the difference between internship and a vocational training? कोई कुछ बता सकते हैं क्या? Can anyone say? See, don't worry about whether it is right or wrong, it doesn't matter, है ना? लेकिन let us make it an interactive session so that आपको भी अच्छा लगे and for me from my end आपको भी मतलब even from my side मुझे भी अच्छा लगे. So can anyone say the difference internship और training में क्या फर्क है या vocational training में क्या फर्क है?
So internship is more like a job.
Very
I
good.
mean, job. I mean, yeah. And training, we can say that in training, it is more like a skill acquisition program.
Very good, very good. आपका नाम क्या है?
Sir Swarnim.
Swarnim. Very good. Yeah, you said it right. And any other answers? Can anyone say what is, yes, Swarnim, what Sir Swarnim said is right? And any other answers? आपके पास और कुछ better answer है? If anyone can see, please be free to speak. And I don't mind, अगर आप गलत भी बोलेंगे तो कोई problem नहीं है. See, that is where you will see to present yourself is one of the important quality of getting an internship. Yeah, so I think Satyavrat is saying we get trained in training, like they teach us about skills and stuff related to that field. Yeah, very nice. Satyavrat, you are right. And what about internship? आप लोग यू माइट ऑफ वंडरिंग सो बहुत सारे लोग हमारे जो टीपीओ में आते हैं एंड दे आस्क सर हमको वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग करना है बीएसपी में and even see if you remember. See, I think I didn't mention who I am exactly. So see, my name is Reynolds, and I am a faculty of our institute. I am also a core member of the training and placement cell. Okay, and currently I'm in electronics and telecommunication engineering department. So I'm working in BIT from the past 5 years. Okay, so this is my background, right? So training and internship. See, these are like two different aspects of any employee. Okay, so I'll just give you some brief introduction about internship. What is internship? See, it is like I think one of you said it's like a on the job training. So it's like it's a period of work experience offered by an employer to give students and graduates exposure to the work environment. Okay, so you will get an work experience. Okay, and kaha work experience aayega? It's like getting the work experience in the working environment. आपका जो ट्रेनिंग है जनरली वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग में, सी यू विल नॉट बी डायरेक्टली वर्किंग ऑन द जॉब. ठीक है, आपको वहां पर जाने के बाद यू विल बी गिवन सम टीचिंग फ्रॉम द इंस्ट्रक्टर. जैसा मैं बता रहा हूँ वहां पर भी उन लोग दिखाते हैं ये ऐसा होता है, ये वैसा होता है. सी यू विल गेट नॉलेज, बट यू वोंट गेट द हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस in a occasional training. See, there is a training after you join in a company. That's a different. I'm speaking about the occasional training जो आप लोग second year के बाद third year के बाद जो करना चाहते हैं. See, वहां पर आपको ज्यादा कुछ hands on experience नहीं मिलता है, but in an internship you will get the on the job experience. And जो period है generally internship, it may be from a week up to 12 months, है ना. एक वीक से लेकर 12 महीना तक वो चल सकते हैं. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट इज मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस इन एन इंटर्नशिप यू विल बी पेड. आपको पैसा मिलेगा. सी डोंट एक्सपेक्ट, मतलब आपको खूब पैसा नहीं मिलेगा. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू विल गेट ए लॉट ऑफ मनी, बट यस, because you are working on the job, because you are working in the environment, you will be paid some money, some honorarium, right? Or you'll get a stipend for your work. And in some cases you won't get any payment, but you are doing it voluntarily. Okay, see the and most of the trainings, है ना, जो ट्रेनिंग हम लोग जो करते हैं वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग, यू नीड टू पे समथिंग, है ना. आपको 2000 2500 पे करना पड़ता है. बट इन एन इंटर्नशिप यू डोंट नीड टू पे एनीथिंग. And if some company is saying that we will provide internship and you need to pay this much of amount of money, आप लोग ध्यान रखिएगा कि मतलब that is not an internship. They are providing you the training. ठीक है, right? And yes, so what is the importance of internships? क्या मतलब आप लोग, let me ask this question, internship जरूरी है कि नहीं? How many? So you can type, you can type in the chat box yes if yes or no. Internship जरूरत है कि नहीं? Yes, it is important. Yes, see, I can see there are a lot of answers coming saying yes, and the answer is true. See, you need an internship. So what are the advantages? So क्यों जरूरत है? Importance क्या है? What is the importance of internship? Importance. Can anyone unmute yourself and say importance? Work experience, very good. Jayad is saying work experience, very nice. ठीक है. Or any other?
To upgrade your skills.
You will get.
It helps to get job.
Yes, it helps to get job.
It helps to create community.
Yeah, it helps to create a good community. Yes, very nice. Or so there are a lot of financial support.
Professional aptitude.
Yes, see, you will improve your professionality, and of course industrial knowledge to create connections. Yeah, you are right. Help to build confidence, and development of skills and work experience. And of course, you can upgrade, you can improve your CV or your resume. And of course, see, the most important thing is, see, you are into a real life situation. I think Satyavrat is saying right. See, you are into a real life environment, or you are into a working environment, and you are directly working on the real life problems, and you are finding solutions for them. Okay, so because of that, see, you will get like, you will be like, you are already in a job. And I'm saying, and from my past 2 years as a core member in the training and placement cell, I have seen many of our students who got an internship, and they are absorbed in the same company. See, Genpact ho sakta hai, IBM hai, and there are a lot of companies where the interns were directly absorbed by the organization itself. See, it helps a lot. So internships make you stand out in the entire crowd. अगर आप लोग, if you imagine that there are 100 people applied for a particular position, and if there are 2 students who are having an internship in the similar field, and these 2 students will be stand out in the entire lot, and these people get the chance, or these people may get the job. These people are more likely to get the particular job. So you can see here the most 3-4 important points I'm saying here. Number one is, you already said, most of you have given very good answers, and I'm so delighted to see you all, and you are so what we call very you are so active in the class, and I'm so happy for all of you. See, number one, you will get your work experience. Okay? And second is, as I said, your internship will be turned into a full-time job. And third is, you all said it, many of you said, you will develop connections, or you will build network. Because see, when you work in a real life in a real life job, in a real job, so you will be in touch with many of the employers, and you will get various contacts, and your network will be improved, and thereby your chance of getting placed or getting a job. And of course, the fourth is future career prospects. See, you never know who will be beneficial to you in the future. So see, internship provides all, it's like a complete package for each and every student like you. Okay? And how to get an internship? See, I'll just speak for another 20 minutes, and uske baad I'll take few questions, and with that during that time we will circulate the attendance link, and you need to directly, I'm so sorry, just a minute. Right. So we will circulate the attendance sheet, and you need to fill the sheet directly, and you will get your certificate directly from the internshala. Okay? So right. So how you can get an internship? See, number one, the most important thing is knowing your interest. Bhai, and I have experienced in this 4 to 5 years in the academia, many students ask me, sir, मेरे लिए कौन सा सही रहेगा? And no faculty can answer that question. वो क्वेश्चन का आंसर कोई नहीं बता सकते हैं. ठीक है? So the first important thing you need to do is know your interest. सर, ये कैसे पता चलेगा? And you can say कैसे पता चलेगा कि see, like some of you might be passionate about marketing. Some of you might be passionate about coding. See, look at your inner being. So think of which encourages you, which motivates you, and that is the area of your interest. And you might be say, sir, हमको कुछ नहीं अच्छा नहीं लगता है. So in that case, मैं suggest करता हूँ कि try 2 to 3 courses आपको जो अच्छा लगता है. मतलब say like suppose if you are a mechanical engineer student, or if you are an electronic student, so think for like, are you interested in the core electronics, or you might be interested in machine design? So think about and choose 2 to 3 subjects and try to develop some interest in that subject and develop, and based on that you can choose your area of interest. And I suggest you, because आप लोग सब नए know you are in first and second years, so I suggest you to choose at least 2 to 3 fields, 2 to 3 subjects, so जो आपको मतलब अच्छा लगता है, ठीक है. And these days, I recommend every student to get some coding skills, whether you are from a mechanical engineering or whether you are from a civil engineering, whatever branch you comes from, at least get the knowledge of programming. Like Python is, it's very easy, and many of you have done it even in your class 12th also. See, it's my recommendation, अगर आप कर सकते तो करिए, because every field these days, in every field, coding and of course the computer science tech has already embedded in every department. So ये ऐसा मत सोचिए कि मैं तो civil engineer हूँ या मैं तो mechanical engineer हूँ. And many of my friends from mechanical engineering department, they are in software side. I'm not saying that आपको mechanical engineering से computer engineering तरफ shift करना है, but it is always better to have an advantage over your competitors. मतलब आपका जो peers है मतलब your friends से, you have to be stand out, you need to develop your skills, ठीक है. So if you look at the trends, generally internships in management area, most of the internships are provided in the management area, then the media, and then the 18% like engineering. And there are, you can see the pie chart here, various areas where the most internships are provided. See, develop some skills are the most important part of getting an internship, okay. So and second is building a convincing application. See, my dear students, मैं सबको बता रहा हूँ ना, even though you are in first year, try to build your resume. अगर आपके पास resume नहीं है, see, it is the most basic thing for acing any internship. भाई resume बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए, and इन्वॉल्व इन वेरियस क्लब्स, है ना. बहुत सारा क्लब्स है हमारे जो कॉलेज में. सी, पार्टिसिपेट इन दोस क्लब्स, get certificates, get that experience of in management, get the experience in coding, whichever skill you like, try to excel in those areas, ठीक है. And never, see, suppose if you're applying for a particular internship, try to make a good cover letter, covering letter बोलते हैं. See, search in internet, है ना. गूगल में बहुत सारा कैसे मतलब एक स्पेसिफिक वर्क के लिए देयर विल बी लॉट ऑफ सैंपल्स ऑफ कवर लेटर्स, सो आप लोग बना सकते हैं. सी, यू आर द बेस्ट इन छत्तीसगढ़, ठीक है, एंड यू आर द बेस्ट लॉट ऑफ आवर एंटायर कॉलेज, है ना. सी, सो आप लोग बना सकते हैं, ठीक है. कवरिंग लेटर बनाना अच्छा रहता है, ठीक है. एंड so first is develop an interest, and second is try to build a convincing application, ठीक है. So now how to get an internship, भाई मतलब कैसे करना है वो तो पता चले, लेकिन where to find an internship. See, there are various platforms in the present day. There are a lot of platforms where internships are posted. See, the best, I'm not, see, this is a program powered by Intentshala, there is no doubt about that, but I'm saying Intentshala is the best way to get an internship even for the first year students. अगर आप फर्स्ट ईयर में है, Intentshala का जो वेबसाइट में आपको even for the first year students you are eligible to get an internship. And if you go for of course there is like a dedicated portal from AICTE that is called NeetCell. ये जो वेबसाइट है, अगर if you type in AICTE internships, you will get this website, है ना. ये जो यहाँ जो वेबसाइट में दिखाया हूँ, NeetCell, and it is also from AICTE. And the third important is LinkedIn. How many of you have a LinkedIn account? LinkedIn में कितने सारे लोग, how many of you have an account in LinkedIn? Can anyone please type in the chat box? Yeah, there are multiple peoples multiple people who raise their hands. That means most of you are having. See, अगर आपके पास नहीं है, see, try to make a LinkedIn account. ठीक है? See, it is very simple, just like your Google account. It's a professional network where people from different fields are joined. ठीक है? And it's like a professional Facebook बोल सकते हैं, या ठीक है? So where there will be many postings about internships. You will get about the jobs, and this is where you will develop your connections. ठीक है? See, networking is the most important factor. अगर आप लोग if you say that sir मैं किसी दूसरों से बात नहीं कर सकता हूँ, see, and in that case मतलब आपको दिक्कत होगा. ठीक है? So you need to develop those skills, and LinkedIn is one of that platform where you can get good connections. अच्छा connections वहाँ आपको मिलेगा. And of course there are like Amazon jobs, Glassdoor, and of course our BIT TPO. We also conduct internship drives. Of course mostly हम लोग BIT के तरफ से the most of the internship drives are conducted for the students who are in third year. Generally third year में जो students रहते हैं उन्हीं के लिए conduct करते हैं. But that's why I'm saying Internshala, even if you are in first year, you can definitely get an internship. ठीक है? And of course, see, I'm saying that you won't get a lot of money here, but you may get like 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. And if you're skilled enough, then you will get in good companies where you will be given like 25,000, 30,000 in rupees also. See, and in the last year we have few of our students who got internship from Hindustan Unilever Limited, IBM, and even Genpact. So, and there are of course for management students there are various companies, but engineering, as I said, there are very few. And if you want those internships, you need to develop your skills, and you need to make yourself stand out from your peers. Okay? And next is if you go I'm saying about here how to apply on Internshala. It is similar even in the AICT internship website. It is similar even in the LinkedIn, even in Amazon jobs or whatever the website. Just like you need to register for free, you need to see everyone complete your profile. Complete your profile, like your educational background, आपका and one more thing I want to say is, see, don't worry about those percentages. At least get 65 or 60 percentage is what most of the companies look for, and there are companies who may ask for more than 70%, but and for internships they don't look much for your percentages. The most important thing is your communication skills, and if it is a technical position, your technical skills. Okay? And next is how to boost your application. See, first is apply early. See, don't delay. ठीक है, मैं कल apply करूँगा, परसों apply करूँगा. No, make it as early as possible. And the second is apply for multiple internships, multiple positions. See, and third is keep building your skill set. This is the most important. ये चीज मैं बार-बार बता रहा हूँ. And कैसे सर, कैसे skill मेरा skill set कैसे मैं बढ़ा सकता हूँ? See, you have various training programs. For example, आप देखिए, we have I mean BIT, as a BIT we have linked with Coursera. We even linked with EDX, and of course LinkedIn has its own training platform. Of course Internshala has its own training platform. See, look for some courses where you will get motivated, where you think you are good at, and look for where are your weaknesses, and try to develop your weak areas. For example, if you are not able to speak communicate in English, So try to get some training in those areas. ठीक है. And if you are not good at like technical area like aptitude में सही नहीं है, see there are various websites, even NPTEL, Swayam, and YouTube. These days YouTube is one of the best place to get those skills. And fourth is follow up. See, if you applied in an for a position, for example आप IBM में apply किए हैं, है ना, and try to send a follow up mail और बताइए कि सर मुझे I have applied for this position, and if you are interested, please revert to me. So see, it creates a sense of urgency from your end, and the employer think that this particular student is interested in this particular position, and that is the commitment what an employer is looking from a student. So the fourth point is also very important: follow up effectively. Ask them, sir, I am open for any position in your organization. Write good emails, right? So follow up is very important. And these days because of the COVID situation, in most of the scenarios there are online interviews. बहुत बार है ना. इवन अभी जो करंटली हमारा जो BIT का जो इवन प्लेसमेंट ड्राइव्स आर कंडक्टेड ओनली ऑनलाइन. ठीक है. And there are, I just pointed out few do's and don'ts here. Number one, if you look at the do's, dress professionally. Recently there is a placement drive for for MBA students, and we got a complaint from the HR that that your students are very casual in their dressing style. बहुत सारे लोग टी-शर्ट में बैठे हैं, बहुत सारे लोग shorts में बैठे हैं, and the background was not good. See, try to, when you are attending an online interview, try to dress professionally. See, that shows how committed you are. That shows how interested you are for that position, and your interest is, and it creates a positive impression from the employer. And second is, be punctual. It's very important, dear students. Very, very important. See, please be available before 10 minutes of the online interview schedule. And third is, familiarize yourself with various online platforms. See, there are various online platforms like generally these days people use, most of the technical organization use Microsoft Teams. So get acquainted with those platforms. Of course, Zoom is one of the important platforms used by many organizations. So आप Zoom भी try कर सकते हैं. Then get familiarize with the online platforms as much as you can. And don't try to read off the screen. मतलब आपका जो screen में कुछ है and you are just reading out those lines. Never do that. ठीक है. And second is, internet. When we are using technology, yes, there will be various glitches, technological issues आ सकते हैं. In that case, never shy asking questions the employer. So you can ask them, sir, can you please repeat that question again? I could not hear it properly. You can ask it. There is no, it doesn't create any wrong impression. Okay? Try to ask the question. If you could not, it is better to ask the second time rather than giving a irrelevant answer to a question. Okay? And the third is, never use an unprofessional username. I found many students, even classes में भी होते हैं, कुछ भी उल्टा पुल्टा मतलब usernames डालते हैं. Especially if you are attending for an online interview, try to use your name. आपका जो नाम के साथ जाइए. Don't use unprofessional usernames. ठीक है? And next is, if you got an internship, make the most of your internship experience. Try to involve as much as you can, right? And give your suggestions. Be inquisitive and resourceful. It doesn't matter whether it is your suggestions are right or wrong. Try to participate. Try to give your inputs. Try to solve the problems. and see that boosts your confidence. And try to take a constructive feedback from your team members. See, that helps you to grow as a student, and of course as a good employee. And third is highlight your contributions in your resume, in your LinkedIn. And see, whenever you are highlighting your contributions, always try to quantify it. See, put some numbers inside it. So you can say, for example, after joining the company, the marketing sales was scaled up, like scaled by 30, so like 30%, 40%. The efficiency of the entire team has been increased. So try to quantify the your contributions in a particular project. And of course the most important thing is ask uh, endorsements. अगर आपको LinkedIn में प्रोफाइल है तो ask your employer to endorse what you have, endorse your skills in the platform. So that way what happens is, it will create an authenticity that you worked with a particular employer. That's number one. And second is, it creates a great impression on your skills. आपको जो भी skills है, when a third person is endorsing those skills, it will boost your chances in the next interview. And finally, see after internship completion, see, never ever close connections. Even see, even if you don't meet that person even in your rest of your life, but still maintain a good connection with your employers and even your team members. You never know who what makes other person to become, and how he or she will be useful to you in the future, right? And the second is, don't share confidential information. For example, confidential information, suppose you are working on a project which is very confidential, where you dealt with some of the important customers. See, never share those information on online platforms. Or see, that's like the basic ethics of an intern. And at the same time, if you don't adhere to those the rules of the organization, you may end up in legal troubles also. So never ever share confidential information regarding your project or your whatever on whatever things you have worked on. Never ever share. And third is, get references. See, many of you might be thinking of higher studies. Many of you want to get good jobs. Try to get a reference from your employers. ठीक है, जो जिसके साथ आप काम किया है. And see, that is one of the best things you can get. See, forget about the money. आपको जो 5,000, 10,000, even if it is 30,000, you may get it. But getting those references, getting those positive feedback from the employer is the most important factor, which will help you in the future. And I think I'll just review what I have said. Number one, getting an internship, no doubt it's a challenge. It's never an easy task. But if you are interested in that, if you can transform yourself, or if you can upskill yourself, you can definitely get an internship position. See, I have given you various websites where you can get internship positions. And as I said, for the first year students or second year students, Internshala and AICTE website is the best way to get an internship position. Of course, if you are in third year or fourth year, definitely you can get your internship positions on LinkedIn, even even your Amazon Jobs, Glassdoor. So there are various websites, and even you can directly contact your dream company, or उन लोग को continuously you can say that I'm interested in for this position, and these are my skills. See, and I'm saying, see, college में जो भी पढ़ते हैं, it is not completely sufficient for getting a job. ठीक है. See, yes, it will definitely be useful. I'm not saying कुछ काम का नहीं है, but what I'm saying is you need to stand out from your peers. So आपको अलग से courses करना ही पड़ेगा, आपको अलग से ट्रेनिंग करना ही पड़ेगा. And Coursera, EDX, Intenshala trainings, LinkedIn trainings. So there are various websites where they provide. Of course, LinkedIn have some free training sessions also, where you can get some certificates. Right. So there are various websites where you can get the various platforms where you can upskill yourself. Okay. So that's all from my end. And please, if you have any questions, you can ask me. And I request Agni or the TechnoHub team to post the attendance link in the chat box so that students can register. They can give their attendance. They can mark your. So please, yeah, it is TechnoHub has posted it in the chat box. If you have any questions, so जिसके पास questions, and the link is available here. So जितना सारा लोग पूरा भर सकते हैं. And meanwhile, अगर किसी के पास कुछ questions है, तो please ask me. I'm free to answer your questions. Yeah, please go ahead. कुछ questions है? Is it clear what I said?
Hello, good
Yeah,
afternoon,
please.
sir.
Good afternoon. बोलिए.
Sir, I am Harshdeep Singh from 4th SEM CSE.
Okay. Yes.
Sir, I want to ask that what are the companies visiting our college for an internship? And
See,
which we should
yeah,
apply?
yes. See, from our college side, most of the internship positions are available in the third year, not after fourth year. I mean, fourth semester, but like while you are in third year, like fifth semester or sixth semester, you'll get most of the internship positions from the college side. See, but don't and they are like very few. So we'll get like mostly 7 to 8 companies or maximum 10 companies who will be recruiting as an interns, and generally they'll take 4 to 5 students max. For example, IBM last year they have recruited around 7 students as an interns. Right, Genpact, we have they recruited only 4 students. So, and Hindustan Unilever Limited. See, I'm naming these companies because they provided like 30,000, more than 30,000 rupees as a stipend. So that's why I remember these companies. And of course, there are various companies where they provide only 15,000, 18,000, 20,000. It depends upon the company to companies. But what I'm saying is, don't wait for college to act for you. ठीक है, कॉलेज के तरफ से हम लोग जरूर करते हैं, but what I suggest you is please try to get internship from Intenshala. See, I have I know so many of your friends who are in second year, first year, who got internship even in the first year. ठीक है, आप लोग, of course they'll get the honorarium maybe like 5,000, 3,000, and some organizations they provide based on your performance. So there are various. So what I suggest you is go to Intenshala today itself. Try to create. ये अगर आपके पास account नहीं है तो try to create an account, and definitely you will get an internship. Okay, and yes, any other question?
Sir, is the internship drive active in our college right now for third year students?
Yes. See, yesterday, I mean, few days back, we have again IBM came for an internship position, but it's exclusively for female students. Gender, I think they came here because of like there is like gender disparity. So to normalize that, they conducted only for female students. It happens. So that way, don't think अरे हम males को दिक्कत हो रहा है, ऐसा नहीं है. But yes, it depends upon the company, and there are various companies on the streamline. So I cannot name them here. because of confidentiality issues. So yes, but there are various companies who are going to come for internship positions. Yes. So do you know about Skill Link? I mean, if their trainings are worth it. Skill Link, I'm not sure about it. मैं कभी नहीं सुना हूँ. But see, go for some good trainings. See, Coursera, they are see, if you register through BIT, you will get a free course, free one course per year. You can enroll in one course, and of course, see, Coursera में ऐसा है कि you will get a financial aid. So you can apply for a financial aid. अगर आप देखेंगे, so it's just very easy getting a financial aid. Of course, even Intenshala का भी financial aid है, EDX का भी financial. Intenshala, I'm not sure they have financial aid, but you can just check through the Intenshala website. But EDX, they provide up to 90% fee waiver. But in Coursera, it's completely free. You know, you can apply for financial aid, and they will, within 2 weeks, you will be directly enrolled in that particular course. So वो course कर सकते हैं आप directly. I think I have enrolled in Coursera and company. Very good. So see, I suggest everyone, and if you know that last year there are somewhere around 4,500 course completions on Coursera from our institute. ये सब हमको freely मिला है, ठीक है? Freely मिला है, and if you look at the amount of money we have to put in, so अगर वो 4,500 courses करने के लिए, अगर आप खुद से करना चाहेंगे तो it may cost you more than 70 to 80 lakhs. पता है ये चीज? So we have saved that much amount of money in the last COVID. I mean, जब lockdown हुआ था, उस समय पूरा students, most of them got benefited from Coursera, and even Intenshala provided free courses for many of the students. ठीक है? See, try to get courses where get maximum recognition. I'm not sure about Skill Link. Maybe शायद अच्छा होगा, है ना? I'm not saying it's bad, but I'm not sure about it. Yes. Any other questions? Yeah, so you can apply. It's very easy. And after applying for the financial aid, don't enroll in audit mode. अगर for example machine learning का course में आप enroll कर लिए, sorry, आपको financial aid चाहिए, please after applying for the financial aid, don't audit it, है ना? उस course में enroll ही मत करिए. Please wait for 2 weeks. आपको तो मिल ही जाएगा. कैसे करना है? Try to Google like financial, how to get a financial aid. Google में search करिए, you will get lot of suggestions from many of the other students. ठीक है, सब लोग वो Google attendance sheet भर दिए. Please type in the chat box yes करके, अगर yes है तो yes. Please type it yes. So many of you, yeah, very good, right. So अगर और questions नहीं है, then we can call it for the day. Yeah, there is some question. Kunjal, sir, is doing unpaid internship worth it? See, yes, definitely. But remember, don't pay any amount for an internship. अगर आपको कुछ pay करना पड़ रहा है, then I always try to avoid such internships. ठीक है? But if you are getting a on-the-job experience as a volunteer, वो भी it's definitely worth it, and it doesn't matter, है ना, whether you are getting paid or whether you are not being paid. But don't pay in return to the organization. That is not an ideal way of getting an internship. So how many days of summer vacation we will get? See, because of the current scenario, we are not allowing any students for summer vacation. You are speaking about summer vacation? हाँ, goodness. See, summer vacation शायद इस बार नहीं होगा. ठीक है, Mansi, I'm not sure that you will get not more than 7 days. But please wait, and definitely you will understand. Abhi, as of now, yeah. So there is a question: what kind of internships we can apply if we are a triple E student? Any suggestions? See, being triple E means, see, you got electrical, electronics, so it's like a mixture of electrical engineering and electronics engineering, electronics and telecommunication engineering. uh, See, core, in the core field, I'm not sure you may get many internship positions, but see, I suggest everyone, है ना, यहाँ पर जितना सारा लोग है, try to think of some management areas, अगर आपको interest है तो, ठीक है, because management area is always required in any organization. आप कोई भी organization में जाइए, वो जो communication skills है, so all the work related to, you know, management related works will be performed in any organizations. So it is always better to work like even like digital marketing हो सकता है, या you know, like many of students might get like data acquisition, data acquisition का भी काम मिल सकता है, या you may become a volunteer for a particular organization. So मतलब promoting a particular organization, वो चीज भी आप लोग कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. So look for such internships. I'm not saying that EEE के लिए कुछ internship नहीं मिलेगा, ऐसा नहीं है, but in the core EEE, the core electrical engineering, comparatively you will get less internships compared to management and like computer science and allied branches, ठीक है. And when will we get our Gmail ID? See, I cannot answer that question. मुझे नहीं पता, शायद technical team, so उन लोग address कर सकते हैं, and I'm not sure that you will get a bit.ac.in mail ID. Yes, any other questions?
सर ये थर्ड ईयर में जो मैंडेटरी ट्रेनिंग रहती है सर, तो वो अभी हमको करनी थी क्या?
देखो, एक्चुअली सी, इट वाज मैंडेटरी अर्लियर, देयर इज नो डाउट अबाउट इट कि मैंडेटरी था, लेकिन अभी जो करंट सिनेरियो में, बिकॉज सी एवरीवन नोस हाउ डेडली इट इज, है ना, जो कोविड के कारण स्टूडेंट्स को, इवन AICT सेड दैट स्टूडेंट्स आर नॉट अलाउड टू गो फॉर एनी इंटर्नशिप पोजीशंस आल्सो if it is like offline. अगर आपको ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग करना है, we can provide you the NOC, you can attend any online events, ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ठीक है. बट if it is like an on the if you need like going to BSP or NTPC, Indian Railways, so ऐसा के लिए हम लोग फिलहाल के लिए, as of now we are not allowing, and of course there is no हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल फॉर दिस ईयर, है ना. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि मतलब आपको अटेंड करना ही है, ठीक है, इस बार ऐसा कुछ रूल नहीं है, ठीक है. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग. एंड ऑफ कोर्स अगर आपको कोर्सेरा में या स्वयं में, या तो कोई भी इंटर्नशाला में या लिंक्डइन में कोई भी अगर आप एक कोर्स भी करेंगे, सो दैट विल बी काउंटेड एज योर वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग. Don't worry about your occasional
So in
training.
internshala mostly courses are paid, मतलब पैसे लग रहे हैं,
Yeah.
उनके पैसे टाइप के हैं.
Yes. Intentional.
They are not free.
Yeah, they are paid. I think they are charging somewhere around 1100 rupees. So अगर आपको free courses चाहिए, then of course you can apply in LinkedIn में तो कुछ specific courses free है, but Coursera you can apply for a full financial aid, and you will get the course for free, completely free. EDX में you will get up to 90%.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So any other
Good evening,
questions?
sir.
Yeah, good evening. Good evening.
Sir, so my question is that if a student is in final year,
Okay.
so what will it be efficient for him to join, to look for a job or to do a internship training?
See, can you please repeat your question? एक बार फिर से
Sir,
पूछेंगे. हाँ.
if the student is in final year, so what will
Okay.
be more efficient for him to look for a job, or rather than do internship training like something?
See, internship it's like a job. You all, when you get an internship, you will definitely see. आज की डेट में है ना, हम लोग अभी previously last 10 days में we got somewhere around 7 to 8 companies, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द कंपनीज उन लोग ये बोलते हैं कि पहले 6 महीना आपको ट्रेनिंग रहेगा, मतलब इंटर्नशिप ही रहेगा, and based on your performance in the first 6 months you will be given a full-time position. ठीक है, so if you are in a final year student, try to get an internship. See, अगर internship में if your performance is outstanding, definitely definitely you will get a job, you will be absorbed in that company itself. ठीक है, so कोई see most of the job positions these days what they say is आपको पहले 6 महीना ट्रेनिंग रहेगा, वहां उस एरिया में it will be counted as your internship, and based on your performance in that 6 months you will be given a full time position. So ऐसा हो रहा है. So उस केस में
yeah, sir, and how apprentice is different from internship?
how apprenticeship, see they are like synonyms है ना, to be honest, apprenticeships are
Okay, it's mostly
internship,
same.
yeah, mostly they are same है ना.
Okay.
लेकिन अप्रेंटिसशिप्स ना जनरली जो डिप्लोमा और उस एरिया वालों को ऐसा बोलते हैं, है ना, बट ऑफ कोर्स इट डजंट मीन है ना, हम अगर हम लोग को इंटर्न बोलते हैं, उन लोग को अप्रेंटिस बोलते हैं, सो इट्स दे आर लाइक सिनोनिम्स है ना, ज्यादा फर्क नहीं है.
All right, sir. Sir, so
Yeah.
if a final student getting a job and then in that job is asking for a training, so and that training is unpaid.
Yeah, it's unpaid. भाई वो तो आपको पे करने की, बिकॉज कंपनी इज ऑलरेडी रिक्रूटिंग यू, है ना, टू मेक श्योर दैट यू आर सुटेबल फॉर दैट कंपनी. व्हाट दे से इज ये जो 6 महीने मैं आपको ऑब्जर्व करूंगा, आई विल लुक एट योर परफॉर्मेंस, हाउ यू आर अडेप्टेबल टू आवर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड हाउ एफिशिएंट यू आर इन आवर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. बेस्ड ऑन योर परफॉर्मेंस देयर यू विल बी रिक्रूटेड. ठीक है, सो मतलब आपको ऑलरेडी यू विल गेट पेड, है ना. आपको अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल CTC 4 lakhs का है, तो उस ट्रेनिंग पीरियड में यू मे गेट ओनली 20,000 रुपीज. ठीक है, बट यू आर ऑलरेडी एन एम्प्लॉय ऑफ दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, बट यू विल बी एज ए ट्रेनिंग. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So someone G Ankit is asking that, sir, what about NPTEL courses? See, NPTEL courses are as valuable as any other courses. NPTEL मतलब मैं जो स्वयं बोल रहा हूँ, स्वयं is nothing but NPTEL. पहले NPTEL के नाम से जाना जाता था, लेकिन these days they are using Swayam. All the NPTEL courses are embedded in the Swayam portal. ठीक है, Swayam is like not only पहले NPTEL is exclusively for engineering graduates के लिए होता था, but now what they have done is they have embedded everything, like for engineering background, commerce background, or other backgrounds also they have incorporated in the Swayam platform. ठीक है, so it's same, they are also worth it, you know, it's never a waste. But हाँ, एक प्रॉब्लम है, what I experienced as an NPTEL is आपको एक specific deadlines रहते हैं NPTEL में. So you will get like ये particular date के बाद वो particular assignment will get expired. अगर आपको उस समय अगर perform नहीं कर पाएंगे, whatever the reason it might be, so उसके बाद आपको उस assignment का पूरा मार्क्स 0 हो जाता है, if you could not able to attempt it. But other courses में क्या होता है, it's like what we call your own, you know, you have your self paced courses रहता है, because self pacing मतलब जब आपको मन करे, and for example for 2 weeks if you are not free, so वो 2 weeks के बाद आप you can reschedule your entire course. But NPTEL में वो चीज lacking है. ठीक है, and other than that NPTEL quality wise it's so depth रहता है, और अगर if you are acing for GATE or something like that, then NPTEL is the best. ठीक है, या टेक्नोहब EDX का जो प्लेटफॉर्म वेबसाइट दिया है, एंड कोर्सेरा का भी फाइनेंशियल एड कैसे करना है वो भी दिया है. या एंड व्हाट स्किल्स शुड वी डेवलप फॉर इंटर्नशिप्स ऑफर्ड बाय कॉलेज? मोस्टली मोस्ट ऑफ द स्किल्स इज कम्युनिकेशन. ठीक है, सी having technical skills is important, but more than that, it is your ability to speak and ability to, you know, what we call as interpersonal skills. So these are the vital skills required by any employer. ठीक है, percentages most of the organization they say 60% होने से काफी रहता है. So don't worry about the percentages, but develop those skills like interpersonal skills, and try to get some coding skills if you are from like IT, CSC, and the secured branches, try to get some coding skills, and those will definitely help you to get a good internship or even a good job offer.
हेलो हेलो सर.
Yeah.
सर ये पूछना चाह रहा हूँ BIT TPO में जो इंटर्नशिप के लिए कंपनीज आती है सर, तो हाउ कैन वी अप्लाई फॉर इट?
जब भी कंपनी आता है, we will always circulate it. See, we have a dedicated faculty who are like in charges, TPO in charges. So जब भी कोई भी position आता है, and you will be intimated through email and even through your WhatsApp groups जो बना है उसमें भी intimate किया जाता है, and उसी में क्या what are the requirements, pay scale क्या है, मतलब वो इंटर्नशिप पोजीशन विल बी लेटर कन्वर्टेड टू जॉब ऑफर, वो सब चीज उसी में दिया जाता है. सो डोंट वरी, जो भी हमारा कॉलेज की तरफ से जो भी आता है, वी विल डेफिनेटली कम्युनिकेट टू ऑल ऑफ यू. ठीक है, सो आपको मिल जाएगा, वो इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगा. एंड खुशबू सिंह सर, व्हाट डू वी प्रेफर फर्स्ट, ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन इंटर्नशिप? सी, फॉर इफ यू आर गेटिंग एन इंटर्नशिप, we are college is allowing those few students even if it is an offline internship में allow कर रहा है. And but I suggest you, if you can get an online internship, that is much better considering your safety. And if the company insists you want to join in offline as an offline internship, that's also well and good. If it is an offline internship, college is providing NOC, no issue for that. But not for training. Remember that. So any other questions?
सर जैसे कि ये इंटर्नशिप हो रही है ऑफलाइन 3 months की, इन केस अगर हो रहा है,
हाँ,
तो सर ये तो जैसे सर इन केस एग्जांपल में हैदराबाद में अगर हो रहा है 3 months का इंटर्नशिप, तो सर ये कॉलेज में प्रोवाइड करेंगे NOC 3 महीने के लिए?
डेफिनेटली प्रोवाइड करेंगे. एंड व्हाट फॉर दैट, आप लोग अपना ऑफर लेटर दिखाना पड़ेगा, and it need to be forwarded through your HOD, and you need to mention that it's out of your own interest you are going there. ठीक है. So and of course what I mean is, अगर आपको कुछ ये सेफ्टी कंसर्न्स जो कोविड के कारण अगर कुछ भी होता है ना, कॉलेज इज नॉट रेस्पॉन्सिबल. ठीक है, दैट्स व्हाट I mean.
Sir, if there are classes, then we will get NOC or not?
See, if it is an internship position and if you are in third year, definitely आपको NOC मिल जाएगा, even if it is offline. Definitely मिल जाते हैं. Clear है? I think did I answer that question?
सर 4th में मिल जाएगा क्या?
4th में थोड़ा मुश्किल है. And definitely if you can ace an offline internship, please come and definitely visit us and show your offer letter, and we will try to find out what we need to do. Definitely हम लोग favorably करने के लिए कोशिश करेंगे.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर. यही सब जान के रखना चाह रहे थे, अब तो हम 3rd year में आ ही गए हैं.
तो
जरूरी है.
It's important. सही है, जरूरी भी है.
Yes sir, thank you.
Okay, so I think Agne, can we conclude?
It was a nice session, sir.
Are very good, and you all are so attentive, so because of that it went so well. ठीक है. और what about Agne, कुछ और announcement है क्या? Or anyone want to say? Yeah.
No sir, no announcement from our side.
Okay, thank you TechnoHub. Thank you so much for all the students who are present over here. Please make sure you fill the Google form. अगर आपका जो friends जो कोई भी मतलब for any reason they could not able to attend the session, उन लोग को if you want I can send you I think Agne, I can send you a recording if you want. And एंड इवन स्टूडेंट जो लोग बीच में कुछ लोग डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था, उनको भी अगर कांटेक्ट कर सकते तो यू कैन सर्कुलेट द अटेंडेंस लिंक देयर. ठीक है. एंड विद दैट आई विल क्लोज, एंड थैंक यू सो मच टेक्नोहब for your dedication and for making it a great success, and and even for all the wonderful students who are here, who are very active, and I think it was useful, and I can see it from your comments here. So thank you so much, and have a blessed evening. Good day to all. Thank you so much. Thank you, Agne, and thank you for all the Techno Hub members once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.